Hey everybody, it's Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2017 Mercedes-Benz C300 4MATIC. This vehicle for sale comes in a black exterior with a black interior. Sunroof, blind spot assist. We have heated seats for both driver and passenger, as well as memory seats here on the driver's side. Power seat controls here, door controls. This vehicle is equipped with the premium Burmester sound system upgrade. Driver's seat with lumbar support. Steering wheel. This nice wood grain accent trim, one of those Burmester speakers, rear seats. Quick look up at the front of the vehicle. Around the back we've got our C300 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging, trunk. Yeah, let's go ahead and hop in the driver's side. Now, mileage in this vehicle currently at 34,865. Do the push button ignition. And here we have our Mercedes-Benz display. Currently showing navigation, not currently installed, but certainly could be. And there's our radio and backup camera. Below the display we have our climate control, as well as buttons to access those various functions. Cup holder and cigarette lighter here, as well as ashtray. And then you have your command module here for making adjustments on the display. And then our shifter. And if you're interested in additional information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmanimports.com.